So first things first, I'm going to be sectioning off my hair so I can blow dry it out. I'm not going to be straightening my hair for this ponytail simply because I don't want to damage my hair with a flat iron. I also have my blow dryer on low heat, so I'm definitely not damaging my hair at all using the blow dryer. So once I finish blowing out my hair, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off. I want to section off this top half and put it to the side simply so I can focus on the bottom half being smooth before I work on the top half. So after I put that in 2 sections, I'm going to make that into 2 more sections, and I'm going to section off the top half of the bottom section just so I can smooth it out individually. So next I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glue styling gel to smooth my hair out. And I'm sorry if I sound sick, guys. Honestly, I just got over a cold and I cannot get my voice together, so bear with me. So after I use the gel, I'm going to put that in a ponytail simply so it can hold its shape while it's drying. Then I'm going to be using the Got To Be Glue spray on my hair, and I'm going to rake that through with a comb and brush it through just to make sure everything's really sleek, because we're not straightening our hair for this, so it's going to be really hard to keep our hair down. If you don't have a finer hair texture, you know the struggle of trying to get your hair in a slick ponytail and everything starts curling back up. So here I'm just redoing what I did on the bottom of the ponytail at the top of the ponytail. And honestly, don't have unrealistic expectations when you're not using a flat iron. I know that you want your hair to be super sleek, but girl, if you got curly hair, you know your hair is not going to be sleek. You better work with what you got and rock it the way you can. So as you can see, my hair is definitely starting to curl back up, but that's fine. I'm just going to brush over it again before I put it in the ponytail. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges and lay that down with a scarf. So then I'm going to be taking styling wraps and I'm going to wrap that around my hair and spray it with Got To Be Glue gel just so it can stay in place. I'm using the styling wraps because I don't want to damage my real hair with the glue. Granted, I've never really damaged my hair with glue, but some people do, so just as a precaution for anybody else, I'm going to use the styling wraps. So here I am just taking your average hair glue and putting glue at the bottom of the track, well, the end of the track, and placing it at the bottom of my ponytail. And I'm just going to wrap that up and blow dry it as I wrap it all the way up into the base of my ponytail. So next you just want to grab a piece of hair from the bottom of the ponytail, and I sprayed it with a little bit of Got To Be Glue. I didn't show that part, but you want to brush that out and then wrap it around the base of the ponytail just so everything has a sleeker look. It's only gonna look but so sleek because, like I said, we did not flat iron our hair, so everything's a little thick at the roots, but we're gonna make it do what it did. So I've only used one bundle in this ponytail because I personally don't like super thick ponytails. I know some people are like, oh, your ponytail's so thin, but that's how I like it, so I don't care. I went ahead and I put some curls in it just so it could look a bit fuller. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Come on with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine. Come on with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine. Come on with some twerk with off. I want a slim fine. Come on with some